Tired of watching others make money with AI while you're stuck wondering how? Here are 5 AI tools you can start using today to generate real income. No coding, no experience needed. First up is Pictory. Turn scripts or blog posts into full videos in minutes. Perfect for YouTube automation. You can literally create a video like this one using Pictory. If you want to sped things up, use copy.ai. Create marketing copy, product descriptions, emails, and more with one click. Freelancers and business owners are using this to sell writing services and save hours of time. Use ChatGPT to generate article content, ideas, business plans, or even scripts for YouTube videos. It's free and insanely powerful when paired with other tools. You're literally watching ChatGPT-generated content right now. Canva Pro lets you design stunning thumbnails, Instagram posts, or full-on presentations. Combine Canva with ChatGPT or copy.ai to make ready-to-sell digital products or content packs. You can sell social media design services or start your own page. Finally, for the artists or non-artists, Midjourney and Leonardo.ai generate stunning AI images and illustrations. Create amazing AI art, posters, or even digital products. People are selling AI art as posters, merch, and NFTs. You don't need to be an artist to make money with this. All the links are in the description. Start testing one of these tools today. And if you want more AI tools and faceless business ideas, hit that subscribe button now.